Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a light and airy low-carb chocolate cake. A perfect dessert pairing alongside of a nice hot cup of coffee. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy this for your next dessert. Let's get started. Begin by adding some coconut flour to a large mixing bowl, a granulated sugar substitute equal to a half a cup of regular sugar. Add about a quarter cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, some baking powder, a little baking soda, ground nutmeg, and of course some salt. And we'll finish with a little bit of xanthan gum. Mix with a whisk and be sure to break up any clumping. Set that aside. To a separate mixing bowl, add 6 large eggs. We'll add a liquid sugar substitute equal to a half a cup of regular sugar. Now add about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a little white vinegar, and mix together. I find it easier to use an electric mixer here as I want to get as much air in the eggs as possible. After mixing, set that aside. Now our final component, add 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a microwave-safe bowl. To this we'll be adding some chocolate. For this recipe, I'll be using Lily's dark chocolate stevia sweetened baking chips. I'm pointing this out as chocolate can be very bitter in its natural form, so if you're using a different type of baking chocolate, you may have to adjust the sweetness just a bit. Add 1 ounce of the chocolate chips to the butter. This is roughly about 1/4 cup. Microwave for about 60 seconds and mix to incorporate the butter and the chocolate. Now we're ready to mix. Add the egg mixture to our dry ingredients and with a whisk, begin to mix. When mixed thoroughly, add the chocolate butter mix. Mix again to incorporate. Add our batter to a well-greased non-stick loaf pan. Spread the batter as evenly as possible. Place in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Use a toothpick to test readiness. If it comes out clean, you know it's done. Let cool for at least 30 minutes. Run a knife around the edges to help loosen. Place your hand over the top and gently flip to remove. Now gently place it on a serving dish. Cut into 8 equal squares. Finally, dust the top with a convection sugar substitute. Plate and serve with a nice hot cup of coffee. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my low-carb chocolate coffee cake. Something light and sweet to help wind down your day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.